Hi friends, welcome to our next tutorial on manual testing. Today in this tutorial we will concentrate on spiral model. So what is spiral model? Simply by seeing that word itself we can say something. Spiral. Spiral means it's a how the spiral shape, the circle, it's a over loop, complete loop, major complete loop. It has like that spiral model. So what happens with this spiral model? So when if we are developing any application, so whatever the requirements are clear. So initially we discussed when requirements are clear, we used some waterfall model or something. But why again this? Because when requirements are clear, but we cannot implement complete application at a time. So we can add requirements step by step. So for that we use this. So for this just a diagram, pictorial diagram I show you here. So spiral model diagram in this my website. So this is the spiral model. So here we can see this spiral model like this. See 1.0, this is first version, second version, third version, fourth version, like this. Day by day it is increasing. In every step all the steps will involve like requirement gathering, analysis, design, coding, testing, then it goes for new requirement. Like this process will happen. So from this diagram what we can say as first step is requirement gathering is done, then it goes for design, then if any enhancements will come, then gathered by the team, again it goes for requirement gathering, analysis, and repeated steps. Every step this is like this: requirement gathering, analysis, design, coding, testing, release, maintenance mode, then new requirement, then new requirement. So this continuous step will be continuously increase, means continuously it is happening. So because of that, this we can say as a spiral model. So then we can discuss here advantages of spiral model. So what are the advantages of spiral model? So this is high amount of risk analysis, and hence avoid risk is enhanced. So this is a high risk because always when we are developing an application we need to keep next level of requirement in mind, then we can work this. If any mistakes happen in this first version, second version will affect, like that we need to take care about this. And this is good for major large projects. It is good for major large projects. And additional functionality can be added later date, means like we can discuss additional functionalities in future. We can put for some of the additional requirements that we can add in future in this. So the next is we can release version by version, means early releases will happen. Version by version we can release early releases. So early releases will happen. These are the advantages of this. So this model has also have some disadvantages. What disadvantages this model we have? So that we can say here disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? It can be costly model. First step it is costly. So because all the requirements what we discussed, what are the future we need to put in mind, and we need to update that. So that because of that it goes costly, and it's a risk also. Risk analysis. Next is the So project success also depends on analysis. Depends on analysis. Analysis fails, projects will fails. And does not work for smaller projects. Does not work for smaller projects. So these all are the disadvantages of the spiral model. So we'll see in the next model in next coming tutorial, that is a rapid application development, that is we can say RADI, that we will see in next tutorial. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.